The moment it was offered, I was really, really excited and grateful that I was chosen to do something like this, because it's a completely new experience. It's a completely new education to portray a character only with your voice. So that was amazing. Learned so many new things that we can do only with our voice. It was an amazing process. I was nervous while going into it because I didn't know how good or bad I'll be at it. The audience will decide when they listen to it, I guess. पहले I used to listen to the books that I have read before. Attention span नहीं रहता था just with audio, and the times that I listen to audiobooks is when I'm getting ready for shoot, when I'm sitting down for makeup or hair, or while traveling is when I listen to audiobooks. Like I listened to Becoming by Michelle Obama. So that was an interesting experience because she would sing when she mentions a lot of songs, right? And she breaks into a song. So that was amazing for me. The other books that I've listened to is the Yuval Noah Harari, the 3 books, and they were really good. And I had read them before. There's also Sandman on Audible by Neil Gaiman, and it's a whole series with different actors, and oh my God, amazing. The kind of environment they've created in Sandman, I can go on and on about it. An amazing way of consuming content, and people should be open to the idea. And I think at the end of it, the story has to be interesting. What we are presenting has to be intriguing and interesting for them to consume it. As long as we keep presenting interesting stories, they will consume it in any medium. The most challenging thing was to not have your body or your face, your physical visual presence to express, actually was the biggest challenge, because you only have your voice. Because you had to modulate your voice. You couldn't just turn around when you were angry with someone. You couldn't just look away to hide your tears. So if you have to gulp a certain cry, you had to gulp that certain cry with just your breathing or just with your voice, which of course we were guided through by the director. And it really helped. And I think it also helped us to grow as actors, because I don't know how much I retain from that process of recording Dharmiya, but it was interesting to grow, interesting to learn new things about just using your voice and breathing and breath to express yourself. Sakshi is married and she's a very devoted wife, and the husband cheats on her. And she lives through this whole process of denial, acceptance, and so on and so forth. But through the story, she's also discovering herself. And I think that sort of narrative is what I found very interesting. That constant questioning herself. And the structure of this audio show is also within voiceovers while she's talking to herself, and she's telling her own story. So as she traverses within herself and outside, and how she grows as a person, and she's constantly on this path of self-discovery through this bad phase of her life. I think that is the most interesting bit for me, because she grows as a person, because she completely loses herself as an individual, because she's constantly playing this role of an ideal wife, an ideal mother, an ideal bahu. And when this one problem happens, she decides oh, I'm a person too, and I have a right to feel bad. I have a right to make decisions for myself, and which are only for myself, for my own happiness, for my own ambition. I have to make decisions for my own self and not for other people. I think that process I really, really loved and enjoyed. Of course I have, because all of those characters have had different experiences. They add to your personal growth, because most of the characters that I have played have immense amount of patience that I don't have in my real life. So I like to imbibe that. And I think somehow, because especially with a medium like television, because you're doing it every day, your personal self traverses into the character and the character traverses into you. Of course, not everything, but there are little pieces of it that add to your personal growth. And as you are growing, you add to your own character also. So that really happens. And even if we're not actors, we keep changing and growing as we meet people. And playing new characters is also meeting new people. Of course, they contribute to your personal growth. Like Sakshi has, like this whole discovery of herself is such a new thing for me as an actor to portray, and as a person also, that you have to constantly look within yourself, see what is your problem and how do you solve it for yourself. I think that's what I learned from Sakshi. I am generally satisfied with what's coming my way, but you never know how life takes you and how you'll change or grow in life. So you can't really say that I don't want to do this or I only want to do this. I am an actor, and it's such a beautiful time to be an actor because there are so many mediums to explore, and I'd like to do ideally everything that comes my way. I'm not very ambitious. I'm generally happy with what comes my way, and whatever comes my way, I try to give it my best. So that's the whole idea.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.